Alright, so this is a training video on power washing door jambs during a full detail, or same process during a full interior detail.
So we have our pump sprayer, our power washer, and then an exterior towel. We only have a few towels that are considered true exterior towels, but they look like terries, but they're usually a bit bigger and they're gray. And then I have a few terries as well on me. So you're gonna grab your pump sprayer and pump spray all of the door jambs. When I do a single side, I like to close this door so I don't get any overspray. And I start here and work my way down. The rest of this can be wiped. And I'm getting all the way down here, getting up here, stopping there. And I'm getting all the way down here, and I'm getting this opposite door jamb right here. I'm kind of stopping up here because we don't want to get too much overspray on the inside, and these areas are clean enough where we can just wipe them. And now I'll make sure the car is unlocked. I'll close this, open this one, and do the same thing. Pretty good. Don't forget about the rubber door seals too, so spray these as best as you can. Those are very important. Now the trunk. Start up here. Work your way down. Sometimes I like to do this one last so the drippage doesn't get in the way. We don't want too much dripping right here, so I'm going to put light on this way. Doing this now. Not forgetting about the rubber door seals. Okay, to get a little overspray up down there because it's just the carpets. Those are pretty forgiving surfaces. Close this. Open this. Do this. Don't forget about this either, right there. Want to show the camera that? Just over there, that angle, that side. Don't forget about that. Pump sprayer is just about out. But we got everything. So now, all the doors are sprayed. I'm going to close all the doors. I'm going to do the trunk first. Always do the trunk first. And you're going to work your way down. And be careful not to get too much overspray in here. Stop there. Now I'm trying to get the rubber door seals as best as possible. Alright, now this is good, but we don't want overspray. Over here. I don't want overspray just sitting here. We don't want these chemicals sitting on this, so I'll give it a quick wash to even it out. Do that on both sides. Now I'm going to come over here and do one door at a time. I like to flip this so the angle is flat, not like this. So you can see. Like that. Work it here. Just kick it out. And then here as best as you can. Get the rubber door seals as best as you can. That's good. Close this, do this one. I'm not going to forget about this side right here. Like that. Work my way down. We're getting minimal water in the actual car. You can leave that open, it's fine. Now the same thing on the other side. Good. Yeah, not forgetting about this right here. And now these have been power washed. All I'm going to do is grab my exterior towel or my terry, wipe up any overspray or excess water. Same thing over here. Grab an exterior towel. Don't want these chemicals sitting. That's good. If needed, if you got a ton of overspray over here, you can just get a little water. Wipe this up. Overspray, like that. Then check overspray over here. That's basically how you power wash door jambs as part of a full interior or a full detail for the door jamb detail. The door jamb detail is a service, which is part of the detail that's called a full interior detail or a full detail. And that's about it. All right, you got it.